everyone. Welcome to the beautiful town of Mislinja, nestled in heart of Slovenia. It's a place where nature and adventure meet. With around 4,700 residents, Mislinja spans 112 square kilometers of breathtaking scenery. Surrounded by lush forest, rolling hills and the majestic Pohorja mountains, it's a paradise for outdoor lovers. Whether you're hiking or biking along the famous Trekna Trail or skiing at Kope during the winter, there's something for every adventurer here. But Mislinja isn't just about nature. It's also a place to unwind. Take a peaceful stroll through Zois Park or grab a bite at the beloved local spot Vagon. And for those interested in history, don't miss the house of Jože Tišnikar, one of Slovenia's most renowned painters. Mislinja is peaceful yet lively town with something for everyone. So if you're into outdoor activities, cultural germs, or just want to relax in nature, Mislinja might be just the perfect destination for you. Come see for yourself. Today we have the mayor of Mislinja, Bojan Borovnik, with us. Let's hear what he has to say. How long have you been the mayor of Mislinja?
Jaz sem župan v občini Mislinja 10 let. Res pa je, da nisem celi mandat začel leta 2014, je začel moj predhodnik Franc Šilak, ki je žal umrl 4 mesece po izvolitvi in takrat sem potem nastopil jaz, se pravi leta 2015.
What's your favorite thing to do in this town?
Jaz sem zelo ponosen na našo občino, ker je zelo veliko v zelenju. Se pravi, je najbolj zelena občina daleč naokoli, mislim, da je tretja v Sloveniji. Kočevje je več zelenja tukaj, kot je pri nas. Zelo ponosen sem pa seveda na našo kolesarsko povezavo, ki nas povezuje z Velenjem in konec koncev tudi z Avstrijo.
Lived in Mislinja your whole life?
Jaz sem doma iz Kozjaka, se pravi, tu je na obrobju naše občine. V osnovno šolo sem hodil na Paški Kozjak, sem hodil v srednjo šolo v Velenju in po končanju služenja vojaškega roka sem nadaljeval sem začel svoje življenje v Velenju in se potem po 5 letih vrnil nazaj v Kozjak in sedaj seveda živim skozi tukaj v Mislinji in pa na Kozjaku. Moram reči, da kar se tiče v politiki, sem jaz že od leta 2010. Bil sem prej kot občinski svetnik. Nikoli nisem imel ambicije, da bi jaz postal župan. Žal pa smo s predhodnikom, s prejšnjim županom, gospodom Francom Šilekom, bila zelo velika prijatelja. In on je takrat kandidiral v parlament, žal teh volitev ni dobil in je že mene takrat malo prepričeval, da bi jaz hotel biti župan, predvsem pa je to ljubezen do ljudi, se pravi spoštovanje tiste vrednote, moraš imeti, če hočeš biti župan.
Why would you recommend visiting Mislinja to others?
V Mislinji imamo veliko kolesarskih poti, ne samo to glavno kolesarsko pot, imamo tudi kolesarske poti, ki vodijo na Kope. Tukaj imamo tudi našega Tišnikarja. Imamo tudi dobro hrano, predvsem gostilna Repulus, ki bi jih lahko povabili. In tudi v naši okolici predvsem pa so v naši okolici prijazni ljudje. To moram res reči in vsak je dobrodošel, ki pride v našo občino. Tako da v naši občini imamo kar nekih znamenitosti. Predvsem bi pa radi čim prej uredili Hudo luknjo, ki je biser naše občine in verjamem, da bo v letu 2 nam tudi to uspelo, da se ta projekt skupaj, ki ga za država pelje, da bomo si lahko tudi Hudo luknjo obiskali.
We're now in the heart of Zois, a historical gem of Mislinja. Back in 1753, Michelangelo Zois bought the local ironworks and later passed them on to his son, Žiga Zois, a well-known patron of Slovenian artists. The park, known for its towering trees, which are over 250 years old, remains a treasured part of Mislinja. Today, it's a place where children play, friends gather, and locals enjoy the beauty of nature. The ancient trees are some of the oldest in Slovenia. Definitely a sight to behold.
Now let's visit a popular hangout spot for local students, the Tuš store. Right after school, students stop by to grab snacks, sandwiches and drinks. The Tuš complex is more than just a store. It's a home to post office, a library, a gathering hall called Lopan, a bakery, a dentist, hair salon, and even some cozy pubs like Giza and Kavarna Mislinja. It's a bustling spot, always filled with life and laughter.
Mislinja Primary School has about 400 students and 23 classrooms, where we learn subjects like math, Slovenian, English, biology and chemistry. Our school is not just about academics though. We also have an eco-friendly gym made from wood veneers. Inside there's a basketball court, volleyball court, football court and even a fitness area. It's where we celebrate holidays, have school dances and enjoy some friendly sports competitions. Now let's take a closer look at Mislinja Primary School. Joining us today is the principal Natalia Aber-Jordan, who will share some insights about our school. Let's hear from the leader guiding the future of Mislinja's youth. What makes Mislinja Primary School unique compared to other schools in the region?
Ja, mislim, da naravno okolje, v katerem stoji med podzemljem Huda luknja in vrhom Pohorja, je kot nek skriti zaklad, obdana z gozdom, polna energije in vedno v gibanju. Mislim, da tukaj ustvarjamo varno in spodbudno učno okolje, kjer se učimo za življenje, raziskujemo digitalni svet, spremljamo svoj napredek, se povezujemo z mednarodnimi prijatelji in ostajamo aktivni, tako z glavo kot s telesom.
What extracurricular activities or programs are offered to students and how do they enhance their learning experience?
Vse, kar te spravi v pogon, miselno in fizično. Računalništvo za bodoče geeke, eksperimentiranje za mlade Einsteine, šport za skrite olimpice, drama za naslednje Netflix zvezde, petje za vse, ki sanjajo, da bojo mogoče nekoč kot Billie Eilish, pa ples za tiste, ki bi radi plesali, kot v TikTok dance videih, seveda pa tudi ročna dela za ustvarjalce, ki navdušujejo z ročno izdelanimi izdelki, ki bi jih lahko morda prodajali na Etsyu.
How does the school support students' academic and personal development, particularly in subjects like math, Slovenian and English?
Matematika s triki, ki ti pomagajo preživeti teste. Slovenščina kot prostor za ustvarjanje. Od pisanih objav na Facebooku ali Instagramu do lastnih pesmi ali zgodb, ki bi jih lahko delil v svojem blogu. In angleščina, ki ti omogoči, da Netflix končno gledaš brez podnapisov. Učenje pri nas je potovanje, ne le cilj.
What are your hopes and goals for the future of Mislinja Primary School and its students?
Postati Hogwarts brez čarovnije. Zaenkrat. Pametne učilnice, več izmenjav v tujino, top učitelji in šola, kamor boš zjutraj prišel z nasmehom. No, vsaj občasno. Predvsem pa si želim šolo, kjer spoštovanje, zaupanje in iskrenost niso le besede, ampak način življenja.
Next, let's talk about Strikna, one of the highlights for cycling enthusiasts. This 35-kilometer cycling path runs through Koroška, Slovenia and follows an old abandoned railway that was abandoned in 1970. Starting from Velenje and ending in Slovenj Gradec, it's a perfect way to enjoy the outdoors while taking the stunning scenery. And if you're feeling hungry along the way, the Wagon restaurant near Strikna serves delicious pizza to recharge after your ride.
Mislinja is also rich in history and architecture. The Church of St. Leonard was first built in 1476 but was destroyed by the Turks and later rebuilt in 1652. An interesting fact, when raindrops hit the roof, they split and flow into two different rivers, Mislinja and Paka. St. Til, another historical church, was built even earlier, in 1269. It also faced destruction by the Turks but was rebuilt later on. This church has a long-standing history of independence, with its own priest since 1685, and is one of the first independent churches in the area.
Arts enthusiasts, this one's for you. The house of Jože Tisnikar, one of Slovenia's most famous painters, is located at the entrance of the beautiful Mislinjski Graben Gorge. The gorge is home to a crystal clear river and small waterfalls, creating a peaceful atmosphere. This house, once an ironworks, was converted in a residence in 1899. Today it hosts an art gallery created by the International Cultural Society Jože Tisnikar, making it must-see for anyone visiting Mislinja.
Myslinia is also home to a ski jumping center featuring 4 ski jumping hills, with the largest being 93 meters. It's one of the top ski jumping venues in Slovenia, hosting international competitions like the FIS, Nordic Combined World Cup and the Ski Jumping Continental Cup. Beneath the hills, you'll find a playground where children hang out and enjoy fresh mountain air. It's a place where sport and nature come together.